These days, there's an app for just about anything. Want to know if it's dark but can't be bothered to actually look outside? Well, there's an app for that. Want regular reminders that you're incredibly rich? There's a $400 app for that. And the world of investing is no different. Here are some of the UK's leading stock trading apps categorised by the features that we think they're best for, plus some tips on how to choose the right app for you. eToro lets you buy and sell a huge range of different financial products, including stocks and shares, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and exchange-traded funds on some of the world's biggest stock exchanges. eToro is the leading social trading platform, which means that it offers users the opportunity to connect and learn from fellow traders and more experienced investors. And its copy trader system literally lets you copy the movements of other traders you've got your eye on. eToro's standout feature is its low cost. It's free to create an account, and eToro doesn't charge a commission fee or management fees. It's not entirely fee-free, however, as there are a couple of unavoidable fees, mainly around deposits and withdrawals, that you'll need to brush up on before deciding if this app is the right one for you. IG is an investing all-rounder. It's got an ISA, a pension and general investment account, and offers ready-made portfolios and individual shares, which makes it suitable for everyone from beginners to experienced investors. With so much information and so many trading options, IG's platform has the potential to be overwhelming. But they equally really cater to newbies with a whole bunch of in-depth learning resources, guides, videos and quizzes that you can access for free through the IG Academy mobile app. Hargreaves Lansdown is the UK's biggest and most comprehensive wealth manager, which makes it a little on the pricey side. Dubbed an investment supermarket, it offers loads of trading options and financial products, including an ISA, self-invested personal pension and junior accounts. One of the main draws for us is Hargreaves Lansdown's wealth of information and expert guides to help you make better trading decisions. A feature that led us to crown it the best trading app for beginners. Interactive Investor has a great fund offering with nearly 3,000 funds available to invest in, a screener that lets you search for your funds and get more information, as well as lists of popular funds, news and insights. Interactive Investor offers 9 different accounts, including a general investment account, ISAs, pensions and junior accounts. And with a flat fee for basically everything, it could be a good option if you want to manage your whole family's investments from one app. DEGIRO lets you trade on more than 50 stock exchanges in 30 countries worldwide. We found that, despite having a bit of a confusing fee structure, it often works out cheapest for international shares among the platforms we've reviewed. Plus, with the option to invest in shares, bonds and ETFs, you can diversify your portfolio both geographically and across different financial products. Instead of just throwing you in at the deep end, Fidelity's platform follows an easy-to-use step-by-step approach. The app is well laid out and gives you loads of investment options based on your risk profile and investment goals. Plus, it has loads of guidance and investment tools like calculators, videos and reviews to give you up-to-date investing insights and build your expertise. With Fidelity, you can open a general investment account, ISA and SIPP, as well as a junior ISA and a junior SIPP for kids. With a tagline like Learn, Trade, Invest, Trading 212 delivers on the educational front. Navigate to the Learn tab to find loads of videos, guides and an alphabetical index to find out near enough everything you've ever wanted to know about share trading. Plus, it comes with a great demo feature that lets you trade up to £50,000 in virtual funds. Just hit real money when you're ready to dive in for real. Trading 212 gives you access to more than 10,000 stocks and ETFs across 7 different markets. It's free to use but has limited investing functionality in that it doesn't offer extra products like pensions, lifetime ISAs or junior ISAs. Picking the right app for you will depend on a number of personal preferences and your level of expertise. As you're deciding, consider these 5 key factors. What fees and charges are you willing to pay? What do you want to trade? Shares, funds, ETFs maybe? How easy is the app to use? Does it complement your level of expertise? What kind of market research, investing insights or charting tools does that app offer? And is there a demo account available? Being able to try before you buy can be super useful, especially if you're new to investing. Did any one of the above catch your attention? Or we would love to know what you think. Comment below to share your thoughts about the best share trading apps and platforms. There are many more apps available out there, so visit finder.com for more detailed reviews and comparisons. Links are tagged in the description below. For more investing videos, subscribe to our channel or check out our next video coming up. As always, thanks for watching.